So why I'm excited to be at the conference? For this conference, I'm very excited to meet the community. I want to know what people are building. I want to know what they are trying to achieve. What are the crazy ideas? What are the tools that they want to see? Also, what the tools they are missing. What is missing for them today on their stack? And what are the things that they want to do? Because I feel that you're going to twist some arms and you're going to try to use things for other purposes. So this is where I get my inspiration. In terms of talks, I'm really excited to hear a talk from Samantha about AI and no code, because I'm a developer, but I've never really touched AI yet, or machine learning. I feel that maybe there are some tools out there that will simplify the life and will make it easy for everyone. So I want to try this.